Hello and welcome to short tutorial, and in this tutorial I would show you how you connect a slider to a label. So when you just slide the slider, then the UI label value would change. So let us start now. This is Xcode 5 and I will create a new project. This is single view application we are selecting now. Next. And this is demo tude. So, and this is the USP we'll be selecting as universal, so because we want that our application should work on both iPhone and iPad. And next, this project directory. Let us save in this document folder, create. Okay, so now this is our files created by Xcode, app delegate, storyboard, vcontroller, .h and .m, and we would start our coding from vcontroller.m and h. So before writing some code, we would just now drag and drop some of the UI components we require in this tude. First of all, this is let us make the app for iPad, and I've selected iPad storyboard. This view controller scene, the full scene, and I select the view controller scene. This is view controller, and this is controller for the file vcontroller.h and vcontroller.m. And this okay. So this is the view which we are working upon. So, and these are objects. So let us first drag and drop some slow slider, and I will use slider. And this is a slider, and this, let us make it big. Okay, it seems good now, and this is now UI pattern. Okay, let us UI label, label, and this is a label. So let us make it big so that it becomes visible enough. Okay, so now we have, what this would do is that when you slide your slider, and the label would show the value of the current slider, the current value in which the slider is pointing at. So let us start coding now. First, connecting the code to the interface, we need to define one IB outlet. So let us start now. This app property, and this non-atomic. This would be a non-atomic. Non-atomic weak property we are making upon. IB outlet, and this is your slider. Slider. And we would also like to make the same property for UI label. This is we are naming its current label. Okay, and we will synthesize these two properties in our vcontroller.m. So we write as current value and slider. Okay, perfect. It sounds cool now. And now we would also need one method, and which would get called when we slide the slider. So we will write an API action, and we will name this as update value. value. So we won't be passing any parameters to this. So this would be remain as it is. Let us copy this method name and implement this method in my method. So this is a thing. Let us do it. Now this is the thing. Now current this is the current label dot text equal to string with format is percentage f is slider or value. So what this method would do is that when we will slide the slider, then this method would be get called, and this would update the current label value so that we can see the real-time value of the slider. Okay, so we have I think we have written the code. Now we need to connect us all the outlets and this method to the storyboard components. So let us get to iterate storyboard. Now this is a slider. First of all, we will connect the outlet, referencing outlet. So we will right click on the slider and we will get this events and outlets. So drag and drop outlets. When I make the mouse hover to this button, it would show the plus, drag and get it to view controller. Okay, and this is a slider, not a view, so we would click on slider. Now this I have out disconnected. Now this for this lever for this lever also. This is second lever and front lever. And for next third thing we would call the method on the slider will change. So just right click on the slider and add event. This is the events, send events. Add drag, touch drag inside and add it. This is the update value. So let us run this on iPad Retina and okay, we have run it. It's building the files. Let us wait so that it completes a build. Yes, soon it is started. And let us wait for a simulator to start. It's building now, running. It's okay. So UISlider level. See, its value is getting changed when the slider value. Now I think now you must have got how would you connect a UISlider to Uilabel. And, thanks for watching. Bye bye.